For the society in itself, we're a mutual building society where we're member-led, member-driven, and offer mortgages, savings and products around there. So to benefit us as a society, we are sourcing, local talent in terms of when we have that talent in, when they go through their degree, they're getting real life scenarios and experience in their degree that they can then translate back into the workplace. They can come into financial services and both parties are gaining. It allows them to have the work, earn, learn scenario where they can go on an academic route with their degree, but they can also then apply that into industry. So things that they're learning within their degree, they can apply that back in the workplace. I think it's certainly a great scheme, and certainly something, if I'd have been in the current landscape, I went to university many years ago, so instead of being saddled with student debt, I'd have loved to have been on this programme. So anybody who's thinking about taking it up, yes, please do so. It's a great programme to be involved in.